Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how does the Syndicate Bridge web app help keeping track of loans easier and more efficient for both the borrower side and the facility agent responsible for that specific loan. As you can see, I've provided some test account for you to use. We're just going to use that. We'll first log in as a borrower, and here you'll welcome with a page where you can upload the LMA style loan agreement file that is usually in a PDF file. I'm going to click that and upload the file. This might take some time as the AI ingestion engine will work on understanding the contents of the file and extracting the significant data points needed. After it's done analyzing and extracting its contents, it will show you this page where you can see all the important data related to the loan, such as the test condition, the consolidated leverage ratio, compliance status, sustainability linked loan data if applicable, and the most important bit, the borrower's EBITDA and net debt account, where all this data will be used to check if the borrower is complying with all the financial covenants listed in the agreement. And in this section, as you can see, we can see all the add-backs of the data from the borrower's ERP, and all of this data are automatically calculated and mapped to the items of add-backs in the loan agreement when we ingest the file, which will massively help remove the tedious work of collecting data and interpreting the add-backs definition one by one for the borrower's side, so that they're able to move quicker on keeping tracks of the loan. In this page, you can also see the definition extracted from the file and why it presents the data to you. There's also the opportunities section where the borrower can see the possible actions that they can take to save on interest for that specific relevant period and all the calculations behind it, so you don't have to be blinded by all of this AI stuff. Next, we'll sign in as the facility agent to check on the loans that they are responsible for. Here you can see a pretty similar view of what we saw earlier, and as a facility agent, this transparency will help them manage the loan better and more efficient, as they don't have to chase the borrower day by day. And they can also see the signed compliance certificate if applicable and submitted by the borrower. You also have the same source code for the data to make sure it's not hallucinated by the system. And the facility agent can also see real time if the borrower is complying with the financial covenants. And as presented here in this specific loan, the test condition wasn't met, so there's no compliance testing, which is skipped for this relevant period as stated in the agreement, where you can always refer to from this specific screen. And that's it for the demo of the app. Thank you for your time.